Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce how to use Android Auto and Carplay, Apple Carplay on this device on Toyota FJ Cruiser 27 to 2017 years. Okay, let me show. Let me check this device. You can check. Very fast response. Let me check the settings. System. You can check this model is rack chip RK368. Android version is Android 9. Pi system. Okay, let me back. Okay, firstly you need to install the application from AutoKit from us. You need this adapter, this Android Auto and CarPlay adapter. Let me open it. You can check. This use manual, instruction menu. This Android Auto, this iPhone CarPlay. You can check. Okay. This AutoKit adapter. You can check AutoKit's USB adapter. Firstly, you need to install our AutoKit application from us. USB 1 APK. Find the AutoKit APK. You can install it. Okay, open it. Please click below. It shows plug and play. It shows settings, speed, fluently compatible. And there is USB cable. Let me connect. You can connect this USB. This is Samsung Galaxy Z USB cable, original USB cable. Okay. There are USB ports. This USB port connects the back of device. Okay. Please click OK. This phone is my Galaxy S8 Plus. This original USB cable. When you connect it, it will show the connecting. It show Android Auto. Okay, it's connected the Android Auto. This shows Google Maps and this phone call. You can make the phone call. This is music. You can play Google Play Music, Pandora, Spotify. You need to log in the Spotify account is written to Android Auto. Okay, this is Android Auto. Let me disconnect it. Let me show the Let me disconnect the USB cable. Okay, let me show the mirror link from Android USB, Android Wi-Fi. There is the easy connection. It's for mirror link. Okay, you need the original USB cable. Let me connect back to head unit. Okay, connect the phone. Please open the head unit. So you need to install easy connection from your phone. You can scale to download. Also, you need to open the USB debugging from your phone. There show no install if you need to download that easy connection from your phone. Let me connect. Okay, you find the easy connection from Play Store and continue download and install from your phone. You have downloaded easy connection.